Dear great YouTubers, this is an ultrasonic water meter, which can be used as fuel management system, which is now faulty and not working. I managed to fix it by replacing a microcontroller using digital oscilloscope for such a tiny chip. I applied solder paste and desoldered the chip. And after that I soldered a new chip. I added solder flux with soldering iron. After professionally replacing the microcontroller, the device came back to life and now I can measure any water tank successfully.